makaka hay ka jam tokol dia.
Berapa Pak Kalek nih? Arah kenalan bener. Arah warga baru.
Ana ketemu sama
The first time meet you and nice to meet you.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sukawati.
Was
And you, what's your name?
Andre.
Andre, your name.
Nah,
channel
Where are you
Kancilombo.
come from? Where are you come from?
It is channel
go
Kancilombo.
to Mekarsari.
Oh, Makassari.
Oke.
West area, ke timur.
Ah.
Narmada City.
Daripada Citi,
Yes.
kek buat tahu kek online
Selamat
ini
tahun.
Coba cara berdagang bahasa Inggris atau minta ngelayan?
Bentam berdagang bahasa Inggris.
Oh, I will speak English, all student.
Oh.
They are by must please speak English and Arabic with me.
Mun school kepe ang kana kana 2000 berme nam layani.
2,000 Alpini, Staru, I set them.
Pires biji.
For pieces 5,000. For 5 pieces 1,000.
Biasa mangkal ente bu.
This is fresh.
Tosan.
Bi.
Bet
Bi.
mangkal.
Beda mangkal.
Oh, school, maybe Katiri, isame putih school Hakim.
It is.
Maybe Al-Azizia, isame putih school.
Unene kaji. Naam.
Naam, ayawa.
Yo, wis lapo tahu bahasa. Ibu ni bade nonton beli ni lain.
Iya dah.
Arab.
Triple one.
Oh, nonton beli.
Halo, Madam Sukawati.
Halo,
Ya, luar biasa. Ana bahasa Sasak itu ana bengak.
Yes,
Sida
amazing.
sekedar dagang telepon, lagu kecekat bahasa Inggris. Apa rahasia?
Haziana, because I can and I like speak English all student and netizen Indonesian and netizen Lombok Sasak Island.
Layak oleh beraja.
Yeah.
Nah,
From get up from school senior high school SMA Nagmada.
dan beraja layak sekolah.
Senior high school SMA Nagmada.
Oh, Sunarmada.
Yeah, alumni senior high school SMA Nagmada 2001 get up from school.
Oh yes. Betul yang ngelamang berdagang nih kena keluar bah dengan
Go
berdagang.
and around, yes. They are netizen Sasak Island amazing with me. Why do you can speak English?
Oh, gama ina. Layak
Because-
memidang bapak berminta bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Sasak?
No, speak Sasak and
Oh,
speak
gama
Indonesian.
ina. Harus lawan bahasa Inggris pada tengah. Kan boleh jadi guru, maka pilih jadi pedagang.
Because now I will be to teacher in Batu Ringgit. Because and I want to people with me to speak English.
Oh, ini dagang telepon.
This is I
Pintar
have
bahasa
done
Inggris.
natural food, national food from Tegal, Selangor, Sisi. This is me.